Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how I did this sleek bun. This is probably my most common hairstyle, no freaking joke. You know, like when you see those memes about curly hair that 10% of the time your hair is actually really poppin' and like 90% of the time your hair looks like this? Although I'm not gonna say this is not a pop-in look because it definitely is, but most of the time my hair is actually tied back and away from my face. As much as I love my curls, I sometimes just can't have my hair in my face. It drives me crazy. So I'm gonna share with you guys one of my favorite hairstyles, which is a sleek bun. Love, love, love this look. It's probably literally top 10, top 3 of my favorite look, just because not only does it keep your hair away from your face, but it also allows you to pretty much wear any outfit and it doesn't look bad with anything. I feel like sleek buns look bomb with everything. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this hairstyle, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the alerts to know when I post my next video, and I will also drop my social handles so you guys can follow me on there as well, and keep on watching. Alright guys, I know I look a hot mess, but this is pretty much how my hair would look when I tie it back into a sleek bun. So we are starting off with day 4 or 5 hair. So what I like to do is establish the part first. I'm clearly struggling here and I could have edited all this out, but I decided to just keep it in so you guys can watch me struggle. So I typically do a middle part. I've seen the side part, but it doesn't really look too good on me, so I stick with the middle part. So next is a method I just learned, I want to say about a few months ago, from Happy Curl Happy Girl Raina. Absolutely love this method. So I split my hair in half and I start to wet the bottom half of my hair. So what I used to do before was actually just wet the top half and just brush it out. But instead I actually separate my hair in half and actually brush out the bottom using water and gel to make sure it's as flat as possible. So as you guys can see, I am taking my precious time ensuring that I don't have any bumps and making sure that my sleek bun is super duper sleek. Your arm will hurt after a while, but it's gonna be worth it. Okay, so once the bottom half is brushed out, you just leave it alone and just undo the top half, wet it, and go ahead and apply the gel of choice. I didn't even mention that I did use the Wetline Extreme Gel. I know I showed it in the video, but I didn't talk about it. You guys know it's my absolute favorite gel. So what I do essentially is I just wet the top half the same way I did the bottom half and apply the gel, and I will go ahead and brush out the top the same exact way. When brushing out your hair, just make sure you take your time with it. And if you feel that there are some bumpy areas, go ahead and wet it again and apply a little bit more gel. But just take your time. The best way to ensure that you have no bumps is just to keep brushing, brushing, and brushing. Okay, when it comes to actually tying my hair back, I have a different method than the typical method. Since my hair is thick, I feel like it holds it very well. So what I like to do is I use 2 black scrunchy hair ties, and I like to loop my hair through, not fully. So I'll loop halfway through and then I will attach it to the other side, kind of like a messy bun style, but in a low bun, if that makes sense. So this method has worked really well for me and I prefer it that way because I don't like when it's too put together. I kind of like the somewhat messy look. And once I'm done tying my bun back, I'll go ahead and brush through any possible bumps and kind of lay down my kind of baby hairs. I don't really have many, so that's why I don't really lay my edges, because I don't have baby hairs. So I just go ahead and just lay the front parts of my hair and just tie around any extra curls that are chilling outside of my bun, as you guys saw. So that's all I do when it comes to my sleek bun. So what I do next is I like to grab a satin scarf and I wrap my hair just so I can go ahead and do my makeup and make sure that my hair lays super flat. So when I'm done, I just remove it and my hair looks poppin'. Alright, so once my makeup is done and I'm feeling super cute, I'll go ahead and slide my scarf off very gently. So as you guys can see, my hair is laid, looks super bomb. If I have to go back and touch up some of my non-existent baby hairs. So I do have edges, guys. I know someone actually called me out on that. I do have edges. I just don't have baby hairs. So I sleek whatever I can. So if for any reason I have to go back and sleek anything, I will go ahead and do that now. And also, if you're somebody who doesn't like to have curls hanging out of your bun, you can go ahead and bobby pin those away, or just like I do, just wrap it around your bun if you can. If not, just pin them away. You won't see them, just pin them into the bun. So that is how I create my sleek back bun. Again, one of my absolute favorite hairstyles, keeps everything away from your face, and it's perfect for working out. It's just, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can do whatever you want with a sleek bun. It's, I swear, one of my go-tos. So yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked this sleek back bun look, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.